The transformation of this iconic stadium is now entering a truly exciting phase, with visible progress unfolding across every corner of the site. The energy is building, and with each passing day, the project is starting to feel more real and more complete. In this update, we'll take you through the latest developments shaping the stadium, from the rising roof structure to the evolving exterior. There's a lot happening, and the progress is becoming more impressive with every step forward. Starting from the top, the roof and compression ring continue to be one of the most important areas of development. Work here has clearly accelerated, with teams installing sections at a strong and consistent pace. As more sections are placed, the circular form of the roof is becoming more defined. You can now clearly see how the structure will eventually wrap around the stadium, creating that modern and iconic look everyone is waiting for. This stage truly feels like a turning point in the construction process. The third tier is now moving into its finishing stage, where workers are focusing on sealing the joints between precast seating sections. This is a key step to ensure proper strength, durability, and final finishing quality. At the same time, there is continuous activity across the upper levels, including the VIP ring where aluminum profiles are being installed for the future glass system. Overall, different finishing works are progressing together, showing steady and clear advancement across the stadium. Now moving down to the facade panels. This is where the visual transformation of the stadium is really starting to stand out. The facade installation has been progressing steadily, and it is changing the entire appearance of the structure from the outside. These panels are not just decorative, they are a key part of the stadium's design and functionality. The installation teams have been working consistently, covering more and more of the exterior surface. The facade panels also serve important functional purposes. This means that while they improve the appearance, they are also enhancing the performance of the stadium. Now let's shift our focus to the surface area development, where steady and consistent work is producing very important results. This part of the construction might not grab attention as quickly as the roof or facade, but it is absolutely essential for the overall functionality of the stadium. The teams have been working intensively on ground leveling, soil filling, and preparing the surface for future use. The progress is clearly visible as the ground is being raised and smoothed out to reach the required level. The leveling process is now approaching its final stages in several areas. The surface is becoming more even, more stable, and closer to completion. This is a key milestone because once the leveling is done, the area will be ready for the next phases of development, including paving and finishing work. Another critical aspect of this work is drainage and long-term durability. Proper leveling ensures that water will not collect in unwanted areas and that the ground will remain strong over time. The construction teams are clearly focusing not just on speed, but also on quality and long-term performance as this section nears completion. It is laying the foundation for everything that will happen around the stadium. Finally, let's talk about the scaffolding, which continues to play a vital role across the entire construction site. Scaffolding is what allows workers to safely and efficiently carry out their tasks at different heights, especially in complex areas like the facade and upper tiers. At this stage, scaffolding is still present in many sections, supporting ongoing work. However, in some areas where construction has been completed, it is starting to be removed. This is always a great sign of progress because it reveals the finished work that was previously hidden behind these temporary structures. The removal of scaffolding is a clear indicator that certain sections are reaching completion. At the same time, new scaffolding is being installed in other areas where work is still ongoing. This constant adjustment shows how well organized and dynamic the construction process is. The teams are managing scaffolding in a very efficient way, ensuring that it supports the workflow without slowing anything down. It is a behind-the-scenes element, but it plays a huge role in keeping the entire project moving forward smoothly. Step by step, this legendary stadium is rising again, stronger, more modern, and getting closer to its final form with each passing day. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily progress videos. Stay with us, because the next update will bring even more exciting progress.